Here's 115, okay.
You got the position there, right, Matt?
I've got the position, that's right. So this has got to be junction box 10.
That's JB10, but the position, the one that said 2020, 150 meter, and
EP 2020-0909,
yeah,
correct?
that's where you want to go.
That's what I'm aiming for, right?
Yes.
So we're still 20 meters away from that.
Good. Yeah, it should be north of the platform.
I think one more 10-meter step. That get us there?
That one's come down a wee bit, hey? The main comp?
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
I don't want to get too close. We'll probably drift into it.
Yeah, you could do 5 or we can wait for it to settle out a bit.
All right.
That's good.
You planning on dropping any weights, Josh?
I may not have to. Really light right now.
Okay.
We still have our, oh, I guess they're telling me, did we drop that weight in the side drawer? It's still in there. I was told not to open that drawer.
Oh, that's full of parking positions.
Bags of snakes is what I was told.
Yeah, don't open the back.
Bridge nav.
I was there for that. They were sitting there waiting, and I said, well, while you're waiting.
Right, so it buried our drop weight, though, I guess.
Oh, I thought that was where the...
Press a 5-meter step bearing 115.
We decide I could drop the ones in the front.
Yeah.
And just leave that drawer closed.
Yeah, just if you're going to drop the ones in the front, when you pick up that 150 meter PBOF, let's mark that location. Because those are nice ones to pick up later on.
Roger.
Have you about 10 meters away, Herc, bearing 115?
There's a weight right there. Mark that one. Are those all weights? That 3 weights I'm looking at there? There's a connector end.
Yeah, it looks like it. Is that what it's supposed to be?
All right. Sorry, Ian. Did you say you wanted to have these targeted?
The weights, if you're dropping them?
The weights?
Yeah.
I don't know that I'm dropping one yet.
Not the ones that are already dropped, but if you drop more. Got it.
No, the ones he's going to drop if he drops them.
Roger.
Will that label confirm?
Let's double check when we get close to it.
Yeah, that yellow label.
So the yellow label will have the cable ID.
Roger.
And our logger should be able to tell us. I should be able, if I can find the dive plan again.
Yep, we are looking for cable ID 669.
Should be getting close now, Josh. 4 meters, bearing 130.
Right there.
Submariners.
Okay, we'll zoom in, please, Dave. See serial number 1108009-1. 1108009-1. Okay, we can come wide, please. That sounds like a different number.
Yeah. That's the ODI number. But that's a hybrid.
It looks like a red label maybe on the Fletcher.
Yeah, it just says, I don't know actually what that one
Can we
says.
zoom in, please? Fiber.
That's it.
Come wide, please.
It's the only fiber optic cable we have around here. So we're going to pick that up with the bungee.
Right, so we want to bungee into the handle.
Yeah.
Okay, we got a better spot here. The ship stopped. Yeah. Maybe just throw it on the Fletcher and then snap it
So
in.
Matt,
Yeah.
from where we are
Yeah,
now, where should people be looking to see the sediment traps pop up if they come straight up?
Yeah, they should be generally in the vicinity of where the ship is now. If the current continues.
Okay.
It's kind of scary.
Can you rephrase that in another? Matt,
Should we move north?
from where we will be moving north, but from where we are now, where did we release those? It's west or south-southwest, or west-southwest?
We released them about 75 meters west of where we are now.
Quite a little
Okay.
jump.
Okay.
Yeah. Just ignore that.
And we're pretty much facing north now.
Okay. And we don't need
Yes.
to survey this cable. We're just going to.
Yeah, we're going to pick it up.
We're just going to pick it up.
Yep.
All right. Oops. Fletcher.
Where are we going with this cable?
Up to JB5, just
Okay.
beyond it, by the ADCP. There should be another point marked there for the other end of the cable.
And so we're going to forward and up.
Forward and up, forward and up.
And then once we get above it by hopefully 150 meters, just start coming up.
Yeah.
All right, I see a target called 150 meter cable
Yeah,
end. Is that
second
the
one is 11 minutes after the first one. So at 9:35 and 9:46.
That's going to be tough to Fletcher if you're like that. Just try that,
Oh,
handle
okay.
the connector. Because you want to be,
Oh, yeah.
if you're like that, then you can't get the right
Yeah.
angle. It's like really hard.
So can you make sure they know that
Be straight up and down
They
on
put
the
that
hockey puck if you want.
on the first
Cable's
one,
in the way.
they can hold on to it till the second one pops up, and then they're going to recover the second one. So the one with the floats is going to be recovered second. Right. But if they get to it and they put that on, they can hold it or pull it closer to the boat, whatever. But the boat's going to be moving north. The boat's going to be moving north 100 meters anyway,
Of course, it's right in the middle of your dead
and
band.
it should come up to the west.
I see a target called 150 meter cable end. Is that where we're going?
Yes, 150 meter cable end. It's near the ADCP?
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. So at that point,
Hopefully
we
that's not in your
shall
way of
be
your
150 meters
Grabbing that,
off the bottom.
That'd be all right.
So
Maybe.
bottom elevation. So we should be just a little over 2,000 meter.
that's a good swell.
So like, whatever, 2,020 meters. I don't know if you want to put it in the Fletcher.
We're just going to put it in there to keep it stable to
Oh, okay,
connect
to
the
connect it, yeah.
connect the clip, and then we can take it out.
Yeah. Come on, Fletcher. There you go.
Nice.
She's in now.
Got about 100 meters to go. Are you okay with a 20 meter step?
100 meters ago, where we're not going anywhere right now, are we?
Northeast, isn't that where we're taking this?
Yeah, we're going up into the water column and going
So we're going to pick
Northeast.
this up off the seafloor and come up and go forward.
right.
But we're going
So
to
the ship's
we're going to
gonna-
get this set up first. So we're going to clip this into the handle and then take that out of the Fletcher. And then when we're ready to go, then we'll start moving the ship.
Roger.
Oh, I got to upside down world. Oh no, that's not bad.
Oh, that's good. wound those tie wraps, or am I going to rip the basket off?
I wounded him.
Nice. And I'm hooking this
Right into the handle.
the handle, I guess.
To 180. Flip it over. Go.
Yeah.
Maybe. Yep. Nice. Nice.
Kick that out of the Fletcher. Or, I guess, just sit there.
So you're saying you don't want it in the Fletcher, or do you want to hold it in the arm, Ian?
Well, I mean, the purpose of the bungee was to see.
Right. We want to
Right.
see if it's springing.
Right, springing. So if it's in the Fletcher.
It'll just rip the Fletcher off.
Right.
Roger. Roger. That's hold it by the handle, I guess.
What's the bungee tied into?
It's double hose clamped into the porch
Oh,
on
okay.
the other.
Okay.
You can see it in the brow cam.
Yeah. Sorry.
So just throw that on the ground.
Oh, hold on to it, because we want to come up so we can see the bungee.
Right.
And if the bungee starts to if it gets.
So I should hold the bungee then, maybe.
Hold the bungee.
Hold the bungee.
Or hold that. I mean, yeah.
I mean, I could just
You'll see it. Yeah, you'll see it that way. I mean.
put it right there, and then I'll just park ourselves right here for now. So you can't see anything.
Perfect. And it's going to catch on that first rock in front of us.
So that's just going to dangle then?
Yeah.
But that's okay,
Sure.
as long as we see the dangle in the brow. which
Yeah,
we
we'll have the
should.
brow. We'll have the bubble.
Bubble.
Oh, yeah. Here, let me get a little better setup for you here. What do I want to do?
So how do we want to do this? We want to see it, but we also want to see if you're. I mean, you can see in the arm too initially.
Yeah. Yep. So let's just hold it.
Yeah, I would just hold on to the something,
And
the handle or the beaner. Or the nice thing about holding on the handle is you can direct the cable downward.
yeah.
Agreed. Let's grab the handle. I think that, as you said, we'll see if it starts to pull.
Yeah.
The bungee's a security belt and suspender. All right.
Okay.
So pull it off on the first rock, which it's now under.
Okay, so you're gonna do some winching. I'll do some
Yeah.
flying.
Yeah.
And I am headed
Northeast, something like that.
No.
northeast.
No. It's
Cable's headed. I'm headed south right now. Cable's headed
It's going to
up.
loop around.
Oh, okay. But I'll
So-
follow the
So I
cable.
think for the first, you should almost be able to just go straight up
Straight up and
for,
turn.
for the first, I don't know, whatever,
And then
15, 20 meters.
I want to turn. I would like to turn to port. Sorry, starboard. Turn to starboard.
So if I may, as long as you've got visual on the bottom, Josh,
Yeah.
follow the cable and go up.
Okay.
Do you know what I mean?
Yep, I sure do. Yeah.
It's going in a